Celebrities like Rob Lowe and Ellen DeGeneres were among the thousands forced to plan escape routes as Southern California's largest and most destructive wildfire threatened the safety of residents. New evacuations were ordered as the fire sent up an enormous plume near Montecito and Carpinteria seaside areas in Santa Barbara County that had been under fire threat for days and were now choked with smoke. Early on Sunday, actor Rob Lowe announced his plans to flee to safety as the flames continued the route. Praying for my town. Fires closing in. Firefighters making brave stands. Could go either way. Packing to evacuate now, Lowe wrote to his Twitter page. This afternoon, comedian Ellen DeGeneres also said her property was under threat of being burned. DeGeneres tweeted, "We just had to evacuate our pets. I'm praying for everyone in our community and thankful to all the incredible firefighters." Everyone in the Montecito area is checking up on each other and helping to get people and animals to safety. "I'm proud to be a part of this community," she added. "I'm sending lots of love and gratitude to the fire department and sheriffs." "Thank you all." Thomas fire actor Billy Baldwin shared shocking photos from outside his house showing dust clouding over the sky. Smoke from the Thomas fire blocks out the sun. Enos, California, North Santa Barbara County. Thank you firefighters, Baldwin wrote in the picture post. Thomas fire now. 173,000 acres, 4,500 firefighters, 710 structures and 15% contained, he said this morning. Crews with help from a fleet water-dropping planes and helicopters saved homes as unpredictable gusts sent the blaze deeper into residential foothill areas northwest of Los Angeles that haven't burned in decades. "The winds are kind of squirrely right now," said County Fire spokesman Mike Eliason. "Some places the smoke is going straight up in the air, and others it's blowing sideways. Depends on what canyon we're in." The department posted a photo of one residence engulfed in flames. It's unclear whether other structures burned. Thousands of homes and businesses in the county were without power. The air thick with acrid smoke. Even residents of areas not under evacuation orders took the opportunity to leave, fearing another shutdown of US 101, a key coastal highway that was closed intermittently last week. Officials handed out masks to residents who stayed behind in Montecito, the wealthy hillside enclave that's home to celebrities such as Lowe, Oprah Winfrey, Jeff Bridges. A few miles to the west, Santa Barbara Zoo was closed to the public, and its 500 animals confined to their night quarters all day. Firefighters made significant progress Saturday on other fronts of the enormous fire that started December. Forecasters said Santa Ana winds that whipped fires across the region last week would continue in some areas at least through Monday. A lack of rain has officials on edge statewide because of parched conditions, and no end in sight to the typical fire season. This is the new normal, Gov. Jerry Brown warned Saturday after surveying damage from the deadly Ventura fire. "We're about ready to have firefighting at Christmas. This is very odd and unusual. High fire risk is expected to last into January, and the governor and experts said climate change is making it a year-round threat. One death so far. A 70-year-old woman who crashed her car on an evacuation route is attributed to the fire in Santa Paula, a small city where the fire began. The Ventura County blaze also continued to burn into rugged mountains in the Las Padres National Forest near the little town of Ojai, and toward a preserve established for endangered California condors. Ojai experienced hazardous levels of smoke at times, and officials warned of unhealthy air for large swaths of the region. "The fire's looking really good, despite the wind," said CAL FIRE Public Information Officer and Battalion Chief Henry Herrera. "If we can get through today, I think we'll be in pretty good shape for the remainder of this incident."